Yeah, you see it right. Itachi is here as reincarnated in Demon Slayer. But कौन Itachi का reincarnation बना है? So he is a Hashira and he uses wind breathing. Yup, it's Sanemi Shinazakawa. I know तुम मेरी बात से agree नहीं करोगे. Because in first season, Sanemi hurts Nezuko and Tanjiro so badly. But he really isn't like that whole. तुम एक बार ये वीडियो पूरी देख लोगे तो तुम्हारे सारे doubts clear हो जाएंगे. Because there are 3 points which feel clear. Sanemi is or Sanemi not. Let's talk about it. First, sacrifices. In Itachi's case, he massacred his whole clan with his family because he came to know Uchihas are betraying with the village. So he did it all by own and showing no regrets and emotion like a standing dog. But हम सभी जानते थे कि उसे ये सारी की सारी बातें अंदर ही अंदर बहुत दर्द देती थी and he never tell anyone about his pain. From Sanemi's side, he killed his mother because when he came to know she became a demon, he first decided to stop her. But when she killed his 4th brother, then he made a quick decision to kill her. And वो जानता था अगर उसने ऐसा नहीं किया तो she will kill also his remaining brother Kenya and all the villagers. And this is not a big decision in a situation where you can't even stand and react. और तुम ही बताओ उसने मान भी कैसे लिया होगा, उसकी मदर एक demon बन गई है. But he managed to make a decision and he buried his pain in his thoughts. Second, brotherhood. Itachi is one of the bestest brother we have ever seen in anime. We all know his harsh behavior led Sasuke to hate him and generates a motive to kill his own brother Itachi for what he did. But through backside of his behavior, Itachi की protective feelings ही तो थी to protect his brother and help him to become stronger. उसने अकात्सुकी ज्वाइन इसलिए करी थी ताकि वो अपने ब्रदर को प्रोटेक्ट कर सके और कोनोहा पर आने वाले खतरे से उसे बचा सके. One of the other hand, before Saneme's mother was died, he is a very good brother. But after he killed his own mother, गैन्या ने अपने भाई से बात करना भी बंद कर दिया था. बिकॉज गैन्या को लगता था कि जिसने उस पर और उसके भाइयों पर अटैक किया था वो एक वुल्फ था. बट Sanemi didn't get depressed and decided to become stronger to protect his brother. And also anyone can't face this type of feeling that they face. He also became rude with his brother and उसने ये तक भी कह दिया था जब तुम हाशिरा बन जाओगे तभी हम बात करेंगे. We all know why he asked so, because he wanted him to become stronger and stand on his feet without any support. Third, strongness. देखो मैं इसमें उनकी full power के बीच में comparison नहीं करने वाला, but I will define it to you through their past when they both was at around 5. When Itachi was at 5, he went through a deadliest war named as Third Great Ninja War, and he managed to came back safely. At his age, Hiruzen Sarutobi, यह वही दद्दू जिसने हमारे चैट नारुतो का अच्छे से ख्याल नहीं रखा. अगर कसम से मैं होता ना, उसकी वही समनिंग स्टिक उसके देता और 1 juristicks. ओह सॉरी, हम टॉपिक से भटक रहे हैं. सो हाँ, Hiruzen said that at the age of 5, Itachi's thinking is same as like a Hokage, which means he born with some talent. Through Saneme's side, when we see him as a kid, he also seems like 5 or 6 year kid. So now, he said that his age is same as like Itachi. What Sanemi do is, he killed her mother. मुझे पता है अब तुम डिबेट करोगे, बट पहले पूरा वीडियो को देखो. We already seen in the first season that demons are created by Muzan blood. When he injected some blood to a human, so they became a demon and got a boost in physical abilities or powers. And Saneme's mother also had these powers because she is a demon at that time. But he defeated and killed her. We all know killing a demon is not a child's play. तो साफ साफ पता चलता है कि Sanemi born with some talent. अब तुम इन 3 टर्म्स को मिला दो तो दिस प्रूव्स दैट Sanemi इज द रीइंकार्नेशन ऑफ इताची. मुझे नहीं पता तुम इस पर एग्री करोगे या नहीं, बट कमेंट सेक्शन आर ऑलवेज ओपन फॉर यू. राइट इट देयर योर ओपिनियन. अभी के लिए इतना ही. आरिगातो फॉर वाचिंग.